Hey guys, Happy New Year if you haven't seen us. This is our first adventure for 2021 and it's taken us out to the cute town of Havelock, which is the world capital for Greenshell mussels.
So Havelock is a gorgeous little town, not a huge population, but heaps of restaurants, cafes, all based around Greenshell mussels.
What's that? You found some glasses?
Yeah, I've got
Natalie's
an
a
obsession.
fiend for glasses.
I have an obsession. So we've just been to the berry shed and got fresh fruit ice cream. I got mixed berry, Mac got boysenberry. We got the kids size, would you believe? $4.50. Amazing. Now it's off to the cruise.
Today we've teamed up with Destination Marlborough and Marlborough Tour Company to head out onto the Greenshell Mussel cruise in the Marlborough Sounds.
Come along. Nat and I are out heaven at the moment.
Yeah, we're in Canterbury Sounds,
Yes.
just cruising through a mussel farm.
If anyone doesn't know us, you don't know that we love Greenshell mussels, and this is one of the best places to come and see the farms out here.
As well as Greenshell mussels, we also love Marlborough wine, and we're getting to have some steamed Greenshell mussels and some Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc today.
Yeah.
And so the whole of the Marlborough Sounds is the coastline is 1/5 of all of New Zealand's coastline.
Isn't that crazy? About to go and see how they cook their mussels.
When they harvest the mussels, they close up, and the juice salt water, some salt water stays inside the mussel, and they seal very tightly. So it keeps them alive. We keep them in the chiller, and they a few days is fine. They're fine. So
I've always done, you do garlic and white wine and.
I think we say to people, try the mussel as it is,
Yep.
and then we've got chili, we've got soy sauce.
If you look at this one, see how the lip's still attached there?
Yeah.
So when that's fully detached and it's kind of just sitting inside the shell, that's when you know it's ready.
Greenshell mussels. Beautiful.
Yeah, so their lips still have the beard attached, which is inside. So you can pull that out, and you can just pull it out, or you can pull it. There's a bit of a that's still quite hot. There's a little gland inside where they spit the beard out. The beard actually is an amazing thing. It comes out as a liquid. It's spat out from the gland inside, and it's a liquid. So, and then the second it hits something, it solidifies into this really amazing strong fibre. I've been doing all sorts of research on it to say, okay, let's maybe use it for surgical stitches and things like that. So, just straight down. I recommend you try the mussel first, as it is. Then, then we've got various condiments here. The shells, when you've finished the mussel, go back in the water, because that's where they came from. So, please.
Okay, here we go. First mussel hasn't had anything into it. It's just been steamed in its own juices. Oh my god! I'm never adding anything to my mussels again. Amazing.
We're going to try a lady mussel. We just learnt the pinky coloured ones are females, and the ones with no colour are males.
The boring colour ones.
The boring coloured ones, yeah, of course. Yum. Jacob, here you go.
Yeah, Jacob.
What do you think?
Oh, delicious.
Why have we been adding wine and garlic to them?
I have no idea. One really interesting fact about these farms out here is that you're actually allowed to come out and grab some mussels for your own personal use, but there is a quota for them. So we didn't actually know that. You can actually come out here, pick your own mussels, go home, cook them up, have a glass of Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc, yum yum.
I'm king of the world! Save me, Jack!
What a brilliant way to spend an afternoon out here in Marlborough. How did you find the cruise, hon?
Oh, it was so relaxing. I think I really needed it. I go back to work tomorrow, but I loved it.
So that's our adventure out in the Sounds today come to a close. Unfortunately, we had an amazing time. Very relaxing cruise,
Yeah.
I'd say. A very awesome day if you're just planning on doing something relaxing and coming out and trying some food and some wine.
Yep.
Yeah. What else do you have to say about it? Nothing.
I'm just too relaxed now to talk, so.
Alright, if you guys thought this video was tight, leave us a like. This ain't no bribe. Please subscribe. And hey, what the hell?
Ding that bell!
And we'll catch you again in the next one.
Bye!